Hi, today I want to show you a great combination that even chess.com computer, as you can see right now, can't find immediately. Nona Gaprindashvili played as black, a former world women's chess champion, shocked the opponent with this combination. Let's see this in details and let's start immediately. Gaprindashvili played as white against Rodolphe Servati, and in this position the bishop is hanging and the pawn is hanging at the same moment, so white needs to capture in g7. If black will capture with the king currently, we can do the castle in this position would be great for white because they have a better structure. d7 pawn is the serious weakness. So black decided to go to the intermediate move, queen goes g2. And that looks like a useful tactics because they want to take the rook with the check. Right? And for example, if white will try to do bishop f3, that is definitely a mistake. Black has again intermediate move, rook e8 check. And in the line, king d2 takes, here, black's definitely better and close to win. But in this position, Gaprindashvili played queen d4. It's the sacrifice of two rooks at the same moment. We will see this later on. Queen takes h1. Black needs to accept the challenge. No other way. King goes d2. Now, if black will try to skip this rook on e1, like queen takes h2, we have bishop f3. And we want to play rook h1 to trap the queen, and this position is winning for white. So black after king d2 followed the main line strictly. Queen takes a1. And in this position, computer firstly wants to just play bishop h6 with the idea to go queen g7 mate. But that leads to the draw after the f6, like for example takes on f8, takes here, and here is like the check is, black can't avoid the check, white unfortunately as well, and that would be a draw. And as well in this position after f6, when black blocked the g7 square, white can't play with something like c5 with the idea of bishop goes c4 because just of the d5. Black's trying to block this way, and for example on c takes d6 right now, black can play bishop e6 and everything is protected and black still has extra material in this position. Also I need to put that queen takes d5 is not a solution as well. King h8, and in this position, yeah, black just again saving the extra material, the rook comes to e8 and the white's king on e1 starts to be a target for black. So what to do after queen a1 if bishop h6 is not works? And the answer is right here. A brilliant move. It's really brilliant. Queen goes f6. Wise idea that they're blocking f6 and now they want to play bishop h6 or bishop h8 and then queen g7 mate. And unfortunately black can't prevent it. So it's like a domination of white pieces. In this position black resigned, but it's basically really no way how to survive. Let's, for example, see the line queen takes e2, the most logical move that makes blacks able to do some checks. So bishop goes h6 in that way, queen a5 check, and now just king goes c1. And basically what to do. If queen goes e1, then we can just play bishop d1. And the king is hidden from the checks, and queen g7 mate is just coming next move. If black will try to change the mind to play in this position after king c1, for example queen a1 check, that is also possible, then king c2, queen goes a4, and now king goes b1. And again black can't play queen d1 because of bishop d1. So let's go back. What an amazing combination with the queen goes f6, a really brilliant move that, as you remember, computer didn't see at the beginning of this game. He thought that it's only a draw. So we can still have a surprises in chess. I hope that you enjoyed this game, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, press bell, and never skip new videos to learn chess together. See you soon.